Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today, we're going to talk about the whole Uncle Sam travel advisory thing again. But may I give you an extraordinary statistic. Extraordinary numbers. The police commissioner come out and him say exactly how much Americans lose them life in an Ironman, right, because of murder, right. Just to give you a hint, it's low. Remember the song was so low. Them type of low that we attack. Before we go into it, our Patreon birthday shout out to Michelle B, right, Michi B from the Patreon squad. She's actually technically 11 years old today, because I'm telling her to say life begins at 40. So she's 11 years old today. Michi B, big up yourself. Hope you had a great day. I know you're still tuning in, although the video dropped kinda late. But big up yourself. Hope you live to see 50 more years on this earth. Minimum. Michi B and the whole Patreon squad. Big up on yourself. I could move into the video now. Police commissioner come out and say the numbers for Americans lose them life because of homicide very low. Him said 3 million Americans visit Ironman. Right. Last year, 3 million, a whole lot of people that, right, just for argument's sake, let's just say the entire population of Ironman visit Ironman last year. 3 million. Out of that 3 million, do you know how many Americans lose them life by a homicide? We have said maybe 100, maybe 150. Which number one I guess? Maybe 175? The actual number is 5. As in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of the 3 million Americans to visit Ironman last year lose them life because of homicide. 5. That means so we now have the numbers. We confirm that the safest person in Ironman, as in the safest group of people physically walking around on Ironman, is the visitor, the tourist. And I would go one step further and say that 5, some of that 5 probably don't even really mean tourists, because remember it just say Americans. You must say you have Jamaicans who are Americans too, you know. You must say you have people who go, you have Jamaicans to go America, right? To an American, them did when they're young, and drop back to Ironman, when they're dead. Officially, that's an American citizen who dead. So out of that 5, maybe 1, maybe none of them is what we are thinking about as tourists. When we think about tourists, we are thinking about Billy Joe and Gwyneth with a camera around her neck walking around St. Irie. And I wonder how much of them actually lose for them life. Because if it was Billy Joe and Gwyneth that lose life, even though only 5, me sure, but that's something in the news. So I would wager even them 5 Americans, right, or Jamaicans are tired of Jamaica in some way, and they might touch back to Ironman and go back around them community and somebody see them and people kill them or something like that. Cause I just said 3 million Americans. And you know you have some Yankee tourists where they end up in some place where they know if you go and all kind of spooky things go on. Right. But you know, them can't really come out and start break down this number by, you know, ethnicity and them things they can take a look away. So they have to just say Americans. But even without breaking it down, 3 million people visit one country, and only 5 of them lose them life because of homicide. And Uncle Sam tell us, say, be careful. Be careful of what? Uncle Sam not fair tell them to be careful. Uncle Sam fair tell Jamaicans to be careful, because statistically, without shadow of a doubt, the most likely person to get murdered in Jamaica is a Jamaican. Uncle Sam, your tourists them good. 3 million Americans set foot on Ironman last year, and only 5 lose them life to murder. 3 million. So the commissioner come out and said them surprised. Said Uncle Sam that even said that on the timing and all them things. You see, the facts are only surprised by anything Uncle Sam do. She only say people like you know why my unicorn business can't flop. Right. And just wanna know where the Valentines Day unicorn them ready. Carlton, we have the Valentine's Day unicorns them ready for you. Right. All I know man out there still I try save Kerry. Right. And still I try, you know, you think so if she reject you 700 times, so you think the 701st time to go work and she go, you know, give you a chance because sci-fi is violent and he's acidic and you're going to treat her so much respect and you're nice. I have the Valentine's Day unicorn for you. So link me. Right. I just bathe me a beard and wash them off so I'm ready for the road. Right. By Sunday, all of them will be delivered. But them I buy a unicorn too. I'm surprised. Because I'm a business born in Jamaican tourism. See, enough people tell us say, oh, this party in America like Jamaica and this party don't like Jamaica. We don't need to stop listening to these people. The United States see Jamaica as nothing more than a piece of pawn and a chessboard. If you think it's deeper than that and there's any kind of love or care or whatever, then you are starting that code. Uncle Sam barely care about some of his own citizens. Uncle Sam have entire part of the country where them doing business about. Much as the business about other people. People need to grow up to emotionally attached. See what happened is one president didn't power and him did drop a Iron Man and him did make some speech and did give one package and then him did make what this available and them say, oh, he cares. It's all geopolitics. It's all geopolitics. The reason why I want to get bamboozled is because we're not used to dealing with people who have plans so far ahead that they won't even be alive to see it come to fruition. That's who you're up against. Right? The Americans and the British and the French and these people. Right? The Russians and the Italians. These people are long-term planners. Them do one thing right now and they expect to see something happen in the year 2095. They won't even be alive to see, right? The tree grow, but then plant the seed from 2024. So when you see man come do things and shake your hand and smile and skin teeth, you think say, oh yeah man, this means you don't even know. The man that shake your hand don't even plan to be around for watch when the chess game get win. Checkmate. Enough countries, right? Them start the game in a generation 2 and a generation 3 can win it. Generation 3 of the country will get screwed over. I wonder, yo, when this go down? They don't even remember when this go down. Because the game start a long time. You don't know what you're up against. When I play scrimmage against big league side, and I approach it with scrimmage mentality, both who like who and who are friend or who and who care about who. Surprised? You can't surprise in them game. Yeah. Right. Nothing is done by accident, nothing is done by chance. Spooky times ahead. Spooky times ahead. But now we know if you really want to be safe in Ironman, you have to go learn an accent. If you really want to survive in Ironman, look like you have to go start practicing at the mirror. Hey man, I just came to the island, man. And as you can see, man, I have to go start practice. Right now, go practice the accent. Yo, where you come from? Who, me, man? No, I just came in from, from Denver, Colorado, man. Yeah. Ari. Just here for the red stripe, man. The red stripe is so nice. And the jerk chicken. Man, you got the jerk chicken, man? Yeah, man. Just say thing there. If you want to survive, learn an accent. And if you have a passport, you have to go start painting all your passport the colour. Or the Uncle Sam passport and the Canadian passport and the British passport. Paint it. Right, go draw on all them crests and them thing there. Draw on all them national right on them national motto and them thing there on your passport. 87 rush. Say, hold on, see my passport yeah. I'm American. 87 might get a bit of lie. 5 out of 3 million. that them are send out advice with. Uncle Sam a tourist them good man. Uncle Sam know that too. But I'm telling you now play scrimmage against big baller. Now talk, but I'm surprised. I don't know why this would happen and exactly, you don't know why. I'm gonna find out one day though. Anyway, make sure Sunday tune in Sunday, you know. You have something special and different for you. I think you could expect that one, yeah. H1 Squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra Squad, see you circling. Bless.